Hey everybody, welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Vietnamese caramelized ginger chicken. I grew up eating this at least once a week because this was my dad's favorite meal to cook. It's fairly easy to make and it's definitely worth it because the flavors are amazing. To get started, you'll need one whole hen. You can get this at your local grocery store. Some have it in the refrigerated section and some have it in the frozen section, so you might have to look around. What you'll want to do is bring it home and chop it up into small pieces. If you don't know how, I'll link a video on how to do it in the description down below. Next, you'll need 4 cloves of garlic, 1 shallot, 1 ginger, 3 strands of green onions, and 1 red chili. For the seasoning, you'll need 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of mushroom seasoning, half a tablespoon of salt, 1/3 tablespoon of black pepper. This part is optional, so add as many as you like. And here's a complete list of the ingredients. I will also add this in the description below. To get started, we're going to prep our ingredients to use in a bit. We'll start with the garlic. We're going to cut it in 2 different ways. The first way is to mince it, and the second way is to cut it into thin strips like so. Moving on to the garlic, we're also going to mince these. For the shallots, we're going to finely chop these, not too small and not too large. For a recap, we have our thinly cut ginger on the top right, minced ginger on the bottom right, minced garlic on the bottom left, and chopped shallots on the top left. These ingredients are essential in Asian cooking and they're used in so many dishes. The aroma from these is just amazing. Next, we're going to chop our green onions into pieces about 1 inch in length. And lastly, we'll cut our red chili peppers diagonally into small pieces. Moving on from prepping to marinating the hen. We're going to add our 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of mushroom seasoning, our desired amount of black pepper, only half of the minced garlic, and half of the shallots. We'll save the rest for frying. And all of our minced ginger. Again, that's half of our minced garlic and half of our shallots, leaving the strips of ginger. Now we're going to mix it all up and let it marinate for a good 30 minutes to an hour. Now on to cooking the chicken. I went ahead and added 2 teaspoons of cooking oil and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar for that nice caramelized golden brown color. Some recipes use food coloring, but I prefer not to use it and sugar does the job. Then I'm going to add the rest of the minced garlic and shallots, leaving only the strips of ginger. Mix that around for a bit, then add in the chicken on high heat. You'll want to stir around for a while so the meat can cook evenly. After 5 minutes of stirring, I'm adding in half the ginger strips and then back to stirring. Once you notice the skin starting to tighten up from the meat, that's when it's time to add in water. I'm adding 2 cups of water into the bowl that I used to marinate the chicken in. It adds flavor, but it's not completely necessary. You can use any other bowl. For this part, you can leave it alone for a bit and just let it simmer. It's fully cooked already, so it's just soaking in all the juices. This is the right time to add in the rest of the ginger and your chopped green onions. And now stir for one last time. After you're done cooking this meal, one arm is going to be way bigger than the other from all this stirring. As you let it sit in there for longer, you'll notice that the color is going to change from a light brown to a dark brown, and that's a good thing. That's exactly what you want. Now I'm going to plate it, add my red chilies, and it's ready to be served with your favorite sides like rice. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and comment down below on what I should cook next. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for all the support. If you are new here, I make Vietnamese cooking videos every week. If that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing to help this channel out. Now get cooking and have a great day.